Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to create simple animations in Screencast-O-Matic. Open Screencast-O-Matic and import a video file. I am importing white background video file. Open that video file. Double click, or right click the video to edit it. Click the edit option. Next I am going to add images. To do this, click Tools. Choose Overlay and click Image. I am adding 2 images for demonstration purpose. And I am resizing the image according to my desired output. I set image transition to none for my convenience. Next I am adding another image and I set it according to my desired output. Now we are going to set animation. Click the car image. Now you can see a slider with edit point option. Edit point option is represented in plus symbol with O letter. And I am moving slider to my desired position. Next I clicked edit point and I set time to 1 second and clicked the done option. This is the time duration for the animation to happen. Now I am dragging the car image to my desired position. And finally clicked OK. Now play the video and you can see the animation is working perfectly. Note that less time duration in edit point will lead to high speed animation. More time duration in edit point will lead to low speed animation.